We are back, y'all. And right now, I have my brown sugar in here. We're gonna mix off our lemonade ahead of time. Leave it inside our deep freeze to cool. So we have my sugar and my water inside here, and we have a lime here, so you know. And of course, y'all, it's brown sugar for Jamaican lemonade. No white sugar around here when we mix in lemonade. Okay? So we have a nice little lime, them small but them juicy. Yeah? I'm give them a shot right over here. We have a salt mackerel. They have it scalding off in some hot water. And after that is finished, we're gonna leave it in some more cold icy water to finish, because you know it's salty, so we have to try get out most of the salt, because we don't want things salt up like that. Okay, y'all? So I finish mix off my lemonade. And let me all say thank you all my new subscribers. Thank you for making it West Indian Delights. And all my whole subscribers that were there from the beginning of the journey. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. So, you see me get right in for my lemonade. Yeah? And guess what happened? We are squeeze off the lime. Because we wash with lime like this, we are going to left 2 pieces of lime inside there. And we are going to mix up with lemonade and we're going to taste y'all. Remember, it's salt mackerel rundown, Trelawney yellow yam, cornmeal dumpling which is on the channel from scratch, green bananas, and you know our drink to back it up is lemonade. So I dissolve with sugar with the lime juice and with water. Yeah man, everything ready, not too sweet and not too fresh. So we're leaving this to near to freezing point, because by the time we finish all of them only for exercise and this will be properly cold. So I'm passing it over to someone, put it in the deep freezer for me. Okay. Getting a little rinse now. And I'm gonna proceed now. So I'm gonna put most of my coconut back there. I'm gonna proceed now to start grating my coconut. No tin coconut milk. And no powdered coconut milk. Run down we cook it. Run down we make it from scratch, y'all. And all around the Jamaican, hey, we are 55. We're celebrating 55 years of independence next Sunday. So you know, this is the perfect dish. So I'm grating in my coconut, as I tell you, I'm going old school. So I'm gonna do this in a flash. Just wanna show you. So when you see me next, I'll finish grating all of this. Get right in and show them. We're not using any blender. We're going retro, old school. Finish grating off the coconut. And when you see me again, you will show you how I juice up my coconut. Forget my milk, coconut milk for my rundown. Stick and stay, y'all. And thank you.